I'm so afraid that in 10 years, a certain Insta360 X6 will debut. If you want an all-around vlog camera that can shoot fun panoramic angles, be used as an action camera, have the functions of a gimbal camera, and most importantly, have sufficiently good image quality, then Insta360 X6 is definitely your pick. We went to buy it. When shooting with a panoramic camera, you don't need to understand composition or camera movement. It can record everything in 360 degrees panoramic view. You just need to shoot mindlessly, and with one click, various shots can be generated by posing. If you already have an old panoramic camera, is it worth upgrading to the X6? Compared to the previous X5, it has been thoroughly upgraded inside and out. I have so much to share about it, especially the image quality. It's really amazing. It features a Sony 1/4-inch square sensor. Yes, this time it's a square CMOS with a much larger usable area than the S5. It also has AI and Samsung architecture to reduce noise, supports full-range HDR, can shoot Dolby Vision like the Luna Ultra, and importantly can shoot 8K 50 FPS 10-bit iLog video. It offers everything it can. Over the past month, I took it to Qinghai, Gansu, and Qingdao for shooting. The image quality performance really surprised me. The picture style, color grading, color transition, all are more realistic without any digital feel. This comfortable viewing experience is exactly what I love. The hardware upgrade also greatly improved night scene shooting with less noise and purer details preserved. F16 supports shooting in Dolby Vision. If your playback device supports Dolby Vision, you can see images closer to the real world. The X16's appearance has become smaller and shorter, making it more comfortable to hold. What surprised me the most was that it canceled physical buttons and implemented pressure-sensitive buttons on the screen, similar to the 3D Touch on the iPhone 11 with haptic feedback. The display area and body share the same curvature, very thoughtful design. When you enter the menu or playback screen, the display goes full screen. This design is clever. You might have noticed that the X16 screen is wider and more square-shaped, perfectly matching the square sensor's image. I have to praise this display ratio because it's different from the X15 and its friends' designs. The advantage of the X16 square screen is that you can see the composition of both portrait and landscape images, making it easier to adjust framing in post. Application and rich gameplay have always been Insta360's strengths. One X6 can serve as 5 types of cameras. You can use panoramic mode to record interesting events, or use single lens mode as an action camera that supports up to 5K 60 FPS ultra-wide flat video that you can immediately share. Paired with an extension rod, it can simulate aerial views. Connecting to the official pocket foldable selfie stick and turning on gimbal mode 2, the X16 becomes a gimbal camera like the Luna Ultra. It allows you to remotely control shooting direction, zoom, record with one click, shoot front and back, and even supports automatic tracking of people, pets, or objects. While outputting 4K 30 FPS flat video, it can still retain 8K panoramic footage, which is very convenient for those who don't want to block or edit post-production. You can also shoot panoramic photos with 1.21 gigapixels and freely compose afterward, definitely more fun than regular phone photography. Speaking of post-production, Insta360's AI multimodal panoramic model can smartly edit clips. This is a signature feature. This time the AI director function is updated. When you charge the camera, it automatically filters a day's footage and edits it with transitions and background music, so you don't have to do anything and can see the finished video the next day. Additionally, the X16 updated a feature I find very practical and meaningful, the 3D time capsule. When we were in Qingdao, we visited a stylistic low-key rock studio where every detail was carefully designed by the boss. I used the X16 to fully record the scene, and in the Insta360 software you can generate a 3D space with one click and share it with friends for free exploration. The feeling is truly wonderful. In terms of audio, Insta360 has really innovated. The hardware upgrades include the built-in microphone's recording effect, which surprised me. When the wind was strong and the camera was quite high, I originally thought the sound would not be usable, but I used the Insta360 X6 for paragliding at Qinghai Lake. Unexpectedly, the sound was still very clear. The X16 upgraded to a 360-degree omnidirectional windproof microphone with intelligent audio modes. It also added a built-in hidden microphone for cycling enthusiasts that filters whine noise for better sound quality. I heard these days were the best weather in Qingdao recently, really lucky. Battery life improvements are also impressive. The new battery can shoot 140 minutes of 8K 30 FPS panoramic video, about 50% longer than the X5. The bottom of the camera now has 4 metal contacts, and the new charging remote control stick can directly power the X6. I also discovered something a bit magical. The battery can be removed and the camera still works normally, which serves as a weight-reducing repair method. There are many other upgrades like 20-meter waterproofing without casing, built-in 47 GB storage, NFC direct app connection, Wi-Fi 6 transmission, etc. You can also replace the chip yourself. The X6 almost completely fixes the shortcomings of panoramic cameras. It is a sincere work rooted in Insta360's 10 years of experience. As of 2026, it is a panoramic camera suitable for everyone to record with.